You want to see what he's going to have?
Oh.
So he's got some fruit, vegetables, some biscuits, and can you see all the wiggly worms in there as well?
Yeah, worms.
You like?
It's pasta.
Pasta?
Wow. No.
Asalaamalaikum. Eid mubarak. And your turn? Where are we going? We're going to Greater Manor Fun Fair. You got your picnic bag? Yeah? You got your snacks?
Yeah.
Come on then, let's hit the roads. 10 o'clock in the morning, we're all tired, but we're off to Greater Manor, inshallah. So currently 23 degrees, 10:20 in the morning. Clouds are out, second day of Eid, and we're off to the theme park. Let's go.
What's there?
We've made it, and we're here at Sparkle Park Fun Fair. What did you say? Yes, we're almost getting there now. Look over there.
Can anybody see any roller coasters, any rides?
Come on, when can you see it?
I can see it!
There you go. She doesn't know I'm recording. Who's ready?
Me.
I can't hear you.
Me.
First stop, Thomas Land. Let's see what rides they'll go on. So they're all scared of Mr. Tom Ham Matt Pat. They're scared of him. Oh, Top Ham Matt. What a name. And where are you off to?
Nana.
We are going on the aeroplane.
Bye
There's
bye.
Amaya. Hello. That button will take you straight to Pakistan.
And take it right up there.
Right. Right, you gotta press this button. And we're gonna go up in the sky now. Here we go, look. Say cheese.
Cheese.
Say hi. Fortunately, Amaya couldn't go in there, but there's Lane and her mum. They're on there. But Amaya was too small. So as Amaya wasn't allowed on the boat, we're bringing her here now. On this ride here. So you ready to go on this one? Come on then. Cheese, she's on the ride. Oh, what's that? Right, we're on the ride. And then... And we got Lainey there as well.
Ooh, you're gonna go super race.
Come on. So a quick update, we've had our quick snacks, ice creams. Now we're relaxing here. Quick toilet break for Elena, and then inshallah, there she is. And then we're gonna hit the zoo next. We're gonna go to the zoo next. We're gonna go to the zoo.
No.
We are, there's tigers there. They're all screaming, but she's just having a lollipop. Is that Mr. Bean on a ride? Heading back over to this time Islamabad. Yeah?
No, in a helicopter.
Yeah, but where are you gonna take us?
To the beach.
Okay, let's go. We're going Pakistan.
How can the airplane come forward?
Don't say that, please. I'm scared as it is. So we're just queuing up for this ride here. We're gonna go on this one. This one here. Wow, look at that outfit. MashaAllah. Come on. Okay, let's go. Your turn to get changed now. Weather is absolutely beautiful, MashaAllah. Yes?
Can you eat one?
I don't like it. What are you eating?
Mini pizza. Mini pizza.
And what is she doing? Oh, look what you got behind you.
Wait.
Look at that. If the weather was any warmer than it is today, I would definitely be taking a trip on this ride here.
Yo, she's collected from the seashore. Woo! Blimey, now that's a tongue twister.
Right guys, the next stop is gonna be the zoo. So let me switch the camera around and show you a few of the animals, because we're all tired and we have to head home, get ready, and we've got an evening meal with the family, so that will be part 2 most likely. So let's switch the camera now. And there we go. We have the zoo. Yeah, there's one there as well. Meerkats. I've got car insurance with them. There's you and Amaya. So you got some baby monkeys, I think. I don't know what they are. Look. There we have them. That is so strange. Look how it looks. This Malaysian black hornbill. Wow.
Dad,
Yeah?
look what the farmer. I'm eating the bird now.
Yeah. Do you want to see what he's going to have?
Let's have a look what he's gonna have. There he is.
You want to see in the bowl what he's eating?
Look what he's gonna eat. Wow.
So he's got some fruit, vegetables, some biscuits, and can you see all the wiggly worms in there as well?
No one.
He got some wiggly
Look,
worms.
he's eating worms as
One
well.
of his favourites, that is.
It's pasta.
Pasta.
This is the boy who's flying around. And if you look in the far corner, you see a big barrel. In the barrel is where his girlfriend is. So she's sitting in there with a baby.
Oh wow.
And they're
The
inside
little baby there.
She's going to be inside there for a long time. And then when the baby's ready to come out, they'll both come out together. And then they'll be flying around. There'll be 3 in there then. So next time you come, you'll see 3.
3 birds. Wow.
I'll give him his food and he'll probably come straight down.
Right, here we go. He's gonna have some food now.
I don't know. It's gonna go inside.
Well, the last ride most likely for today is gonna be this water fight. We're all gonna have a water fight, yeah? Who have we got in the back? Lena. Maya, ready? Let's go. Alright, no more recording because we're gonna get soaked here. See you in a bit. Go on, Maya, get them. Oh my god, I'm soaked. I am. Look at that, soaked.
We are done from Drayton Manor and we're getting the kids in the car. We're gonna go home, get ready, freshen up, and then go for a family meal, inshallah.